In this video, I'm going to teach you about the circumference of a circle. So if we have a problem like this that says the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters, what is the circumference of the circle? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So this is the radius of the circle. It comes from the center to the very tip here. It's the measurement of the radius. So the equation for the circumference of a circle is C, which stands for circumference, equals 2 times pi times the radius. So you might be asking yourself, what's pi? Pi is a number. We usually use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. So pi equals this symbol, which is approximately equal to 3.14. So when we do the calculation, we plug in the number for pi. So 2 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 5, and we just calculate it out. So the circumference of this circle is approximately 31.4. So this problem, it is already rounded to the 10th, so we don't need to do any extra rounding. Already rounded to the 10th. This is the 10th, right? So we don't have to do any extra rounding for this. And that's it. That's the basic trick for how to do a circumference of a circle. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could rewatch the video as well. You could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download the ebook and you'll find this lesson in there with a link that'll take you right to the video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's other videos of mine in there that are similar to this if you need extra help. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.